Yeah, it's not even hot, but my tongue is hanging out. Yeah, I know when I'm looking for something, but you should see how my tongue's hanging out. It's almost comical. Look at it. Yeah, tongue hanging out. Right down to the ground, not sound even talk the way I want to. I meant to tell you something, but it makes it difficult to run and talk. That's easy.
Hey! I couldn't see you anywhere. That's where you are. Ah, that's good, Master. You found the right spot. Her tongue was hanging out like crazy.
Hey, I'm going over to the other side. Yeah. Oh, it tastes good. Water tastes real good. Yeah, it's time. Louis trying to climb up on me.
Oh, Study Woods. We're going over to the other side. You know, just swim along here, swim along. You know where to go. Yeah, you're trying to crawl up on me, but I'm not going to. Louis.
I saw your camera fall into the water.
Master, what happened? Is it still filming? Because I saw how the camera fell off your selfie stick. Tragic, isn't it? It looks like it's moving, it's taping, but I don't know whether it does or not. Here comes Luigi. Come on, Luigi. Over here. Everybody over here. I have to check out the camera if it's still working. Ah, what a disaster, huh? Well, we'll find out. Here we go. I'll take the cover off and check it out. Hello. This is the camera. Up it had a dunking. And it sort of went down like this, and it just caught it in time, but it was submerged for at least 5 seconds, maybe 6. But as I see it on a screen, color orientation is beautiful. Maybe nothing is wrong. Maybe I was just damn lucky. Louis was a bit in trouble because Daisy went a bit too close and started to play with him, but he seems to be all right. That's me, but I can see it on the camera. The color is a little bit leached out. It should be nice and saturated, but it's not. So we'll see. The voice is also not as good as it should be. So she needs to be drawing out. Yeah, Adam. Sorry, we couldn't deliver any adventure today.